Hello, everyone. This is your official week one video. As I said, the week one does not actually start until January 15th and is not due until January 21st. So this is your video just kind of reviewing what we talked about this weekend. It was great to meet everybody, and I really look forward to working with you this semester. So as you see here in week one, your semester focus is really just narrowing your perspective down from that big, broad idea that the CONA gave you and looking at the equity initiatives with family and community engagement. We will also look some more at school culture and historical curriculum development. This, again, as Dr. Putnam explained on the weekend classes, remember that you're trying to gather a picture. So you are a curriculum leader, K-12, community college, higher ed, and you're able to just help with curriculum at any level. All right. We also discussed due dates. This week, no discussion boards require a peer discussion, so therefore all discussion boards are due Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. You'll see your video placed here. Just like we talked about this weekend, you have your readings and your content. So there's some Danielson work and the Danielson Group website as well. These 3 PDFs are ones that can be found on this group website. So if you, both places are really the same. You will read chapter 1 in the Epstein text and chapter 1 in the Ismail text. Again, if you'd done that for class, you were kind of ahead of the game. So then you'll look also at the evidence resources. Remember that when you go to the evidence resources, you will find a lot of good stuff. So make sure that you definitely check that out. You will then have a chance to do an update for us, just letting us know what has happened. I am sorry about this video. I don't know what's going on with it. Let us know what's happened with you since last semester. Go do your teacher leader reflection, which will come from your Danielson readings. You will then do an Epstein reflection, which will talk about the 6 typologies and how they align at your current site. We'll do the perspectives on diversity. This will be your experiences and your comfort level with the topics of equity and other things that are discussed in chapter 1 of that text. Remember to subscribe to Questions from My Instructor. So you'll click on this button here. You'll see mine says unsubscribe because I subscribed already. So you'll click subscribe. What that'll do is it'll automatically let you know that you have a question in there, because the questions that somebody else asks might be important to you. Then finally, you are done. You're ready for week 2. Now, week 2 is not set up yet completely. Most weeks are set up, but I will adjust them periodically. So just be careful, look back. You know, that it's meant to really kind of stay on pace, but you can get a little ahead. So I will make sure that they're ready. Just there might be some changes when a week comes up. Don't forget about all these wonderful links over here. You can also subscribe to the Students Helping Students so that if you have a question from your peers, you can look there. And anything you need from this weekend course will be here. One thing that was asked of me is to just make sure I reviewed the weeks in the dissertation course so that you know when things are coming up. And you'll remember this week you have your Zoom session. Well, next week you have your Zoom session, but just remember that that's one of the things that's on there. And then you will have the one discussion board of just really, I've looked at everything. What do I know now? As always, please remember that I am able to be contacted on my cell, 704. Actually, you know what? This video goes online, so you know the place you can check. You can go to your course overview, and you can look at where my information is down here, and you can get that number if you need to contact me. But you can always contact me by text, by email, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. All right? I look forward to hearing from you, seeing your work, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks.